How many times do you yawn in a day? Well, that depends. Number one, when you are traveling from a region of low altitude to a region of high altitude, you find yourself to be yawning a lot during the journey. This is because you must have known the relationship between altitude and pressure. So when you yawn, you're trying to balance the pressure inside your ear and outside your ear. Number two is fatigue. And if you are feeling sleepy, you tend to yawn a lot. Number three is social contagion. When you are in a group and people are yawning, you find yourself copying them, so it's somehow contagious. Then the last one is to increase oxygen intake.